If you're not using AI tools yet, I've got good news and bad news. The good news? You're just in time to join the party. The bad news? The rest of us have been partying with AI for quite a while now. Writing, editing, brainstorming, even making videos without ever touching a camera. Today I'm showing you 3 awesome AI platforms. Each one does something a little bit different. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a writer, or creator, you need to check these out. Quick side note. I'm keeping this video mostly high level. Let me know in the comments if you want deeper dives on any of these, and I'll be sure to make it happen. All right, first up, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like the OG of artificial intelligence. I mean, technically, AI has been around for decades, but ChatGPT's 2022 launch kicked things into overdrive. By late 2024, it had over 200 million users, and for good reason. Some of the most common uses for ChatGPT: drafting emails, composing music, summarizing articles, coding programs, writing SEO optimized titles and descriptions, translating languages, and even solving math problems. And in case you haven't jumped on the latest craze and you're feeling brave, ask ChatGPT to roast you. Drop a photo of yourself or someone you love or you don't love and ask it to roast that person. You'll get a kick out of it. Here's an example of how I use ChatGPT. I work with a few different lead generation companies. One of the companies I work with generates a ton of internet traffic through articles that they post on their site. They want to incorporate video versions of certain articles. The articles are typically about 1,500 words long, which would normally mean a video that's going to be anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes long. Well, instead of a 10 to 12 minute video, they want a shorter video that summarizes the article in roughly 3 to 5 minutes. They want to post these videos to the company's YouTube channel, and they will also embed the video into the article on the site because, as you know, well, based on the fact that you're watching this video, some people prefer to watch and or listen to a video that summarizes everything in an article versus reading it. I use ChatGPT to help me write a script for the video, and here's how that looks. I simply type a prompt that says, I need you to write a script for a YouTube video that will be between 3 and 5 minutes long. The script should be in my tone and style. Oh, and by the way, if I didn't mention it, one of the really cool features of ChatGPT is that it will actually learn your tone and style. So again, I ask it to write a script in my tone and style, and I want the video to be educational, professional, but with subtle humor when appropriate, not forced. And I want it to be engaging with current up-to-date information. Specific prompts are key. I then tell Chat to use the article link I'm providing for the video script. It drafts a full script that I can tweak instead of starting from scratch. Important tip, always review AI-generated content. You don't want your script to sound like a slightly too formal robot. Next up, Grammarly, my grammar-loving sidekick. I have a soft spot in my heart for this one. I mean, it's not like you wouldn't find any typos or grammatical errors in my various forms of daily communication, but improper grammar, typos, and misspelled words, as people that know me well know, it's a pet peeve. My own brother, I'm talking about you, Lawrence, got annoyed with me one time and said I was one of those people. I think he even called me a grammar Nazi. What the Oh, come on, is it not important to communicate clearly? Especially when it's professional forms of communication. But even when it isn't professional, it still drives me a little nuts. I mean, text messages, they get a pass. But then again, these days, people use text to communicate professionally. So, just saying. I mean, let's be real. Hey, it's time to eat, Grandma, versus, hey, it's time to eat, Grandma. Commas, they can make a difference. It fixes grammar, improves clarity, and checks tone. I personally use the Grammarly plugin, meaning it's always running in the background. It just kind of helps me polish emails and documents and social media posts all in real time. One of my favorite features is the tone checker. It lets you know if your quick note to the boss sounds more like a text message to your buddy.
No! God, please, no! No!
It can also suggest better word choices. It can break up long, clunky sentences and suggest more of an active voice so that your writing comes across as clear and concise. It will flag jargon and awkward phrasing, and similar to ChatGPT, it can tailor suggestions based on your writing goals. And last but not least, InVideo. If you want to make videos, but you don't love being on camera, in front of the camera, or you just want to make faster content creation, this AI tool is for you. You can take a script, maybe one you wrote with ChatGPT, and paste it into InVideo. InVideo AI will automatically create scenes, add transitions, match stock footage, music, and voiceovers. Some of AI's main highlights include it has over 5,000 templates for social media, YouTube, ads, training videos, and much more. You can access millions of royalty-free images, videos, and music tracks. It has multi-language support, drag and drop editing for beginners, and real-time improvement suggestions. Here's a great example of how I've used ChatGPT and InVideo together to make a YouTube short that I can also then post to other platforms. I asked ChatGPT to generate a few content ideas for a video aimed at beginner photographers. I really liked one of the ideas that was named Beginner Hacks to level up your photos and videos. I then asked ChatGPT to come up with a script for a video based on that title, and I wanted a script that would be equivalent to a video that would be roughly 1 minute long. I tweaked the script just a little bit, just to make sure, again, it sounded more like me, my tone, my style. I then went into InVideo and asked it to generate a YouTube short using the script generated with the help of ChatGPT. You can choose from many different voices as far as the voiceover aspect. Male, female, Australian accent.
Thank you and good night.
British accent, you name it. I chose to have it clone my voice instead. It kind of blew me away with how close it sounds to my voice. I mean, it's not exact, it's not spot on, especially when it comes to like cadence and whatnot, but even so, it was a little freaky. Check it out.
If you're new to photography and stuck on auto mode, switching to manual sounds scary, but trust me, it's the fastest way to take control and instantly improve your photos. Auto mode guesses your settings, but your camera isn't a mind reader.
Again, it wasn't perfect on the cadence, but it was seriously impressive. So there you have it. 3 great AI tools for 2025. ChatGPT for brainstorming, research, and content creation. Grammarly for making your writing style shine. And InVideo for easy, professional-looking videos. Each one, again, brings just something a little bit unique to the table that the other one doesn't. And if you've tried any of these tools, drop your favorite features in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And if you have another AI tool I should check out, let me know. I'm always hunting for the next great thing. Links to all 3 tools are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review or a how-to from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.